Another example of working from this geometry is to use a restoration beading bit such as this item from Rockler. I would recommend this step in the procedure. And on a door front, we're going to lower this to the point of engaging just the cutter head assembly. So this threaded rod drops at 1/8 of an inch per turn, and I'll come up until I make just a light cut on that pass, and we'll dial it up as necessary. Again, this will be locked into position. This is stationary. The work table is stationary, and we will feed the workpiece along the surface using this scrap for demonstration. In just a couple of passes, we have a beaded drawer front. You can extend this to the notion of putting a combination of cuts, a bead and a rabbet, to produce bead boarding. And we'll switch to that now.